Good morning, second grade. Welcome to virtual school for the next couple days. I hope you had a restful long weekend and you're ready to start class. I want to remind you that we should count it joy and look for the good that God has given us, count our blessings, and know that He is in control and He's got this. So I hope to see you on Thursday so we can get back to regular school. So enjoy these slides. It is for both days, so don't try to feel like you have to finish it all in one day. Also make sure to take breaks in between, especially in between subjects. Get a snack, go run around, blow off some energy, and then come back and do some more work. Also, you're going to notice if you're looking for some extra things to do for fun, I've included fun slides, which are optional. So you don't have to do them, but if you would like to, that would be great too. All right, well, let's get started with school.